Hey guys, welcome back to Defi, Degens, Drip, and Farm for Poverty, where on this channel, our vision is to empower the impoverished by helping you find financial freedom through crypto assets. If you like the mission, you resonate with the vision, and you find this content useful, please subscribe and leave a comment and a thumbs up. Thanks. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Defi, Degens, Drip, and Farm for Poverty. All right, going to be diving straight into some ideology, some mentality you need to have, or you should have, I think, that's just best to have in regards to how to look at drip. And I'm going to go to a post that was shared in Telegram group a couple days ago. Meant to do a video on this, but got to it too late. But anyway, the post was, this was March 31st, so it's a couple days ago now, but made me reflect on it and wanted to share this with you guys. So Totoro 2 said, Forex, these people selling drip don't even know what you got in store. So this was in reference to the sales that were going on and the long-term sell-offs before we had this little recent pump action for 10 to 12%. And then what I want to actually get to is Forex's comment on that comment. So we scroll down and then we get to Forex's response to him, and he said, I don't even pay attention to the price of drip. It's irrelevant to me. I honestly have no idea what the price is. These things have cycles. What is important to me is that we keep building and improving. I'm sure the price will take care of itself. So this particular statement right here, I don't even pay attention to the price of drip. It's irrelevant to me. That is the mindset of an investor. And Forex has mentioned that, and his name, Forex, tells you that as well. So he's in this for the long haul. He says that he's looking to build, and when he builds something, it's to build it for years, not just a short-term project. So when you talk about years, that again is the mindset of an investor. And so I wanted to bring that up, and I actually brought up this Investopedia so that you can actually see like what is an investor and what is a trader. So the goal of investing is to gradually build wealth over an extended period of time through buying and holding a portfolio. Holding is a key variable there to look at. They say anyone investing is someone who's looking at retirement. Where is that at? Investment is also held for a period of years or even decades, taking advantage of perks like interest, dividends, stock splits along the way. So investments are all about long-term gains. It's the real difference between investing and trading is the time frame, your time horizon, or what you're looking at. So investors are people that look at stuff that's long term, like this says, periods of years or even decades. Now, when we go into trading, trading involves more frequent transactions, such as buying and selling of stock, commodities, currency pairs. While investors may be content with annual returns of 10 to 15%, traders might seek 10% return each month. And we look at crypto, because this is from investing in the traditional stock market, people are looking for 100 to 1500 each day. So this is what crypto has created. It's made this mentality of people that they're just looking for the quick flip and trade. And but take this into perspective. 10 to 15% per month is what a trader is looking for. Remember, drip has fees of 10% buy and sell per transaction. So a trader, if you have this mentality, you're looking to get wrecked with the drip token. It is not designed to be traded. That doesn't mean you can't trade it. Of course, you can buy the token and then you can wait for it to depreciate above the sell price and above the taxes and make money on it. But the point of this is to show you the mentality of not only the developer, meaning the person who made this protocol, and he's gone on multiple AMAs and said that he's looking at this as all his projects are long term, but it's also for you to help you to understand what a trader and investor is. So if you are in drip as a trader, not financial advice, of course, but to me, you're in the wrong token, because you look at the payouts and how they're designed and the cycles that we're seeing right now on drip. We're at 1 year on the drip token, and it's seen a like traditional rise and fall price action. So kind of like any other traditionally traded stock, so to speak, it has its ups and downs. So if you're looking at this in the long term, then that means these temporary peaks and valleys will not have any effect on you because you're looking at the long-term cycle. So if you got into drip, way back here, a little under a year ago, then you're still up, because not only that, it's up from this price down here, because this initial price is where the token launched, but you can see that it's up from there, and that you've also made this 1% along the way. So if you held for 1 year, then you are in significant gains from that 1% compounding daily interest, if you chose to hydrate once a day, 1 day, or even 1 week, or once a month. But if you got in it to trade, then you just got wrecked for the last 2 months. So there's nobody that is up from the all-time high of January 26th. So we're coming up on, we just made 3 months. February, March, 2 months. So come April 26th, we'll see where it's at. But nobody is up if you were trading from drip. So that just means, again, the Forex, the developer, doesn't look at it that way, and that's not something you should look at if you're sitting on the sidelines to get into drip. So look at this as a long-term play for years or even decades. And the contract is immutable. So provided nothing happens to the blockchain, barring like a nuclear holocaust or something like that, once everything goes back online, then in theory, drip will go back online as well, and your dividends would start dripping out again. So as long as wherever this website is hosted, maybe it's on one of the actual, I have to look that up and pull it up for you guys, see where it's actually hosted, what platform. But anyway, drip will be here. So you need to have that mentality and understand what this actual asset is designed to do. And Forex has mentioned that it is an asset. He said that the people with wealth, the top 1%, don't sell their assets. Assets are meant to be held, and you borrow against your asset. So he views drip as an asset, not something that you buy and sell. He even said that about all his tokens. He believes devs, or people that get in and make a token to sell it, are just depreciating the value, because if you have to realize your own gains from selling your own asset, then you are creating sell pressure on that asset, and it's not technically an asset, it's a liability. Because if you can't take profits without selling it, it's a liability. If you can't take profits or use it for marketing without selling it, it's a liability. But if you have an asset, you don't have to sell it to make money off of it. You can leverage it, and you can take loans against it, or it continues to appreciate and pays passive income, such as buying real estate is an asset. When someone rents that property from you, you now are getting passive income on that asset. So just a short stint, hopefully, to help you guys understand the mindset that you need to adopt, in my opinion, of course, towards looking at drip and what it's designed to do, and even the animal farm ecosystem, because those assets are meant to be staked and then create yield, and then eventually the pigs, if you have pigs in the pig pen, will pay out dividends in an actual currency that you can spend. So just hope that drives that home and helps you guys understand, how to look at this and not get upset with the ebbs and flows of the cycle. And I'm sure as more of us stick around and see drip through this first year and through its next year, we'll become more hardened to the ups and downs, the peaks and valleys, and then we'll be able to share this knowledge with other drippers that get in, over here somewhere, and tell them, hey, weather the storm. It's going to do ups and downs. Don't worry about it. So hope that helps you guys and shed some light on some things. Have the mindset of an investor, and I will see you in the next one. Lift daily and achieve your impossible. See you guys.